Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday. Whimsical, is that a word? Whimsy Wednesday. Why not? Hey, actually, I haven't been cooking for several days. Getting back in the kitchen today. But last night, we had tacos. It was Taco Tuesday. Oh, we got them from a local taqueria. Robin picked them up on her way home from work. Oh, it's been a while since I've had, street-style tacos. Yummy. Tonight, I'm doing lemon chicken orzo soup. Let's get to it. Got the hardware. Going to be starting off with a mirepoix, American mirepoix. Carrots, celery, yellow onion. Of course, orzo, because it's in the title. Chicken stock. I'm going to be actually using the broth that I get from cooking the chicken down. We'll be adding to the stock level, or actually that's a broth. Of course, there's some garlic, Parmesan cheese for garnish, a little bit of lemon juice to brighten it up a little bit, some Italian herb blend, and the empty bottle will contain the lemon pepper seasoning blend I'm going to be putting together. I just happen to have California lemon peel in my herb and spice library. So it's actually very simple, but you know me, I like to blend my own seasoning mixes. So it's black pepper. I'm using sea salt, the lemon peel, thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder. Why not? I've got the ingredients. I've got the time. I'm going to blend it. Personalized. Yes. All right. On this Whimsy Wednesday, I don't know if that's a word, have a great day. It's 10 degrees cooler today than it was yesterday. I had shorts on yesterday. I'm wearing jeans today. So, on this Whimsy Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.